Hi guys. In this video I am going to show you how to install APS Ads Manager and add-on plugin for Arena Product Store WordPress plugin. Make sure you have already installed Arena Product Store plugin. Now you can easily monetize your Arena Product Store's pages and products with your advertisements by using APS Ads Management add-on plugin. Download the full package from the Envato marketplace. Extract the downloaded .zip file on your desktop. Open the extracted folder APS Ads WP. You will see 3 folders inside the open folder. APS Ads folder can be used to upload the plugin using FTP. You can find all the documentation in HTML file format inside the documentation folder. The last item is a zip file which we would use to install the plugin by using WordPress's built-in plugin installation facility. Now click on Add New button in Plugins list screen. Then press Upload Files button in the next screen. Click on Browse button to open the file selection dialog. Navigate to our previously extracted folder on desktop. Select APS Ads zip folder. Click on Open button. Verify the selected file name and press the Install Now button. Wait a moment. You'll see the plugin successfully installed message. Now click on Activate Plugin button to activate our newly installed plugin. You'll be redirected to Plugins list. Congratulations! We have successfully installed and activated APS Ads Manager plugin. A new menu item with sub-menu items should be created in your admin menu bar which you can use to navigate through plugins functions. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.